Okay, gonna do some local channel catfish fishing today. Place I'm going to, you can pretty much catch catfish all day long, channel cats. So it should be a pretty good day. We'll see what happens. I don't have a long time to fish, but got some good bait, and it should be a good day. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, nice channel catfish. So we gotta take a break from the bass fishing. Nice channel cat. Okay, it's caddy number 2. Having some pretty good luck here. Pretty looking fish. I'm fishing with my buddy Mike. Okay, guys, hope this continues. All right.
There you go.
Okay, decent little channel cat.
Good.
All right. Yep. Okay, it worked out pretty good. I caught a couple of quick channel cats. I had a load of bites and didn't have that much time to fish. Maybe an hour and a half, and I managed a few channel cats. So it was fun. Okay, I'll definitely be back. Maybe even a little bit later on today.